Now that you've set up your branches, are you ready to take a step further? I'm Josh, and welcome to another episode of In a Rush. We'll keep it quick and easy because who knows, you might be in a rush. In this video, you'll learn how to enroll your employees for all your branches. Let's get started. Select the Store module and go to the Employee tab. This tab gives you a full view of your employee roster. Enrolling an employee gives him or her access to your merchant app in store, so it's important that they know how to use the app. Now to enroll an employee, click New Employee. Provide the employee information like name, contact information, and assigned brand and branch. For security purposes, an employee can only be assigned to one brand and branch at a time. We also recommend enabling the PIN on the app. Once enabled, create a unique PIN which the employee needs to access the merchant app. This can only be done using the CMS, so as an owner, you have the sole control over the PIN activation and setup. Once complete, click Submit. Upon enrollment, each employee is assigned a unique employee number. This, together with a unique PIN, fosters accountability among employees. So make sure that your employees don't share their login details. See, no frills! In the next videos, we'll show you how to manage your inventory, so watch out. This has been Josh, and thank you for tuning in to In a Rush.